How to reset the ESC, electronic stability control, warning light. Have you noticed the ESC warning light suddenly appear on your dashboard and wondered what it means? Don't ignore it. The electronic stability control system is one of your vehicle's most important safety features, helping you maintain control during slippery road conditions and emergency maneuvers. In this video, we'll explain why the ESC light comes on, what it means for your vehicle, and show you several ways you may be able to reset it yourself. Make sure to watch until the end, because a simple warning light could be a sign of a much bigger problem that needs attention. Let's get started. Welcome back to AutoCare Secret, your go-to destination for professional-grade DIY automotive repairs. Method 1. Disconnect the battery. Start by disconnecting the vehicle's battery. Leave it unplugged overnight, then reconnect it the next day. This can sometimes reset the vehicle's computer and clear the ESC warning light. Method 2. Check your owner's manual. Many vehicles have a specific procedure for reinitializing or resetting the electronic stability control system. Check your owner's manual for instructions before attempting any reset. Method 3. Use an OBD2 diagnostic scanner. This is the quickest and most reliable way to find out why the ESC light is on. Here's how to do it. Locate the OBD2 port under your dashboard. Plug in the diagnostic scanner. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Access the ESC and ABS anti-lock braking system menus. Scan for trouble codes and identify any faulty components or system issues. The diagnostic codes will help pinpoint the exact cause of the warning light, allowing you to determine the proper repair. Before attempting any repairs, consider whether the issue is something you're comfortable handling yourself. Ignoring the root cause of an ESC warning light can affect vehicle safety and lead to more serious problems. If you're unsure, it's always best to seek help from a qualified technician. That wraps up today's guide here on AutoCare Secret. If this video helped you solve your problem, hit that like button and subscribe for more professional repair tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one.